Did you know? iTalk Recorder is a free app you can use on the iPad or iPod Touch. You can choose good, better, or best recordings, start and stop it by pressing the red button, name it, and then send it via email. However, if your file is larger than 2 megabytes, you'll have to share it using File Share Transfer in iTunes. Plug your iPad in and iTunes should open. Click on the Apps tab and then scroll down to the bottom. You should see a section called File Sharing. On the left you have the apps, and on the right are the documents. You can see my document is called toobig.aiff. Once I click on that, the Save To button appears at the bottom. Click there to save it to anywhere on your computer or the network.